Do you want to remove fake followers on Instagram? You can delete all fake and spam followers in Instagram at once with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove fake followers on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Fake followers are typically inactive accounts, bots, or accounts created solely for inflating follower counts without engaging with content. To remove fake and spam followers on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you will see posts, followers, and following. Just tap on followers. You will see the list of people who follow you. At the top of the followers list, you will see a categories section. Under the categories section, you will see the flagged for review option. Just tap on it. Here you will see all the spam and fake followers. To remove these fake and spam followers, tap on Remove next to their name. From the pop-up menu, select Remove to confirm. Now, if you want to delete all these spam and fake followers from your account, tap on Remove All at the top of the screen. A confirmation pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on Remove. Now, all these spam followers are removed from your followers list. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete fake and spam followers from your Instagram account.